Panchayat Union Middle School, Meesanallur. Singular, regular.
This is a boy. This is a boy. This is a torch. These are torches. This is baby. These are babies. This is a soba. These are sobas. This is a cup. G. These are fish. This is a cup. These are cups. This is a robot. This is a robot.
Fifth standard student, irregular, singular, plural.
This is a book. These are in food. This is a child. There are 8 children. This is a man. There are 8 men. This is a woman. There are 5 men. This is a mouse. There are 8 men. This is a axe. There are